Hello friends, welcome to iTechkey YouTube channel. My name is Varun Chauhan. I hope all are doing good. I am also doing well friends. Today I came with CWP installation part 4. There I'll cover PHP settings service SSH. Before we start to continue, if you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get new video notification. If you subscribe our channel, be motivated and ready to come with a new video. Let's start to continue. First, login with username and password. Friends, as you know, I have covered dashboard, CWP setting, server setting, web server setting. So today we will cover PHP setting and service SSH. Click on PHP setting. There we can check PHP info. I am clicking on PHP info. You are running PHP version 5.6.37. There we can check PHP details which we have installed with CWP panel. So there everything we can check about the PHP. Next, PHP sort info. There we can check PHP sort info for modules there. Next, PHP add-ons. Click on add-ons. There is showing details of version and there showing remove IO and cube loader. So there is configured add-on. Next, PHP version switcher. There we can switch version of PHP. There all version details available. There we can downgrade and upgrade PHP version for entire CWP panel. There is all PHP version showing. After the select version, click on manage options. Check loaded PHP modules. There we can select modules. There is PHP modules, second gen modules. We can select module there for PHP. Next, PHP selector. Friends, this option for pro version, currently we don't have a pro version, that's why we are not able to use this option. But if you have a pro version, so you can use. Next, PHP-FPM selector. This feature is also available in pro version. If you have pro version, so there you can use this option. Next, PHP PECL extension. PECL manager. There is showing warning about the directory. First option showing PHP install. There is PHP version. There is main PHP. This PHP main will redirect to switch your PHP version. There is select option available. There is no package installed for PHP, so there is only one version, that's why this is the showing package installed. Next is package available. There we can install package for PECL package. There is all packages are available. If we have need action script message format extension PECL package, so there we can click on install. So there we can install PECL package. Next is channels. There we can add channels if there is a need. So we can add channels. For example, there is already added channel dog.php.net alias PHP docs. So these are channels. So we can add PECL channels there. Next, PHP simple editor. php.ini file location user /local/php/php.ini. Friends, we can edit in this file. There we can set memory, upload maximum files, post max, post execution time, display error, date and time zone. There we can select these option in php.ini edit in file editor. There we can edit in php.ini file. Next, php.ini configuration. Friends, there we can change in php.ini file. There we can change as per our requirement. So there all change which is require you can change there in php.ini file. After the changes, click on save and change. And next is create file backup. There you can take backup if you want. But I suggest you before change in php.ini, please create backup. This is the helpful for you. Next, FFmpeg installer. FFmpeg installer for CWP server. If you require for video streaming website, so there you can install. Click on start installer in the background. FE installer started in the background. You can monitor it from the console. Use command this. So there you can monitor. FFmpeg installer for CWP server installing running in background. Friends, if you have required this patch, so you can install, but I suggest you please don't try if you don't have need. But I am telling you everything deeply. I am explaining CWP panel installation. Next part is service SSH. Click on service SSH option. Click on top state. Friends, there you can check your server load, live load. There everything will show. For example, there is load average and there is application wise load. Next is CPU info. There we can check your CPU info, vendor ID, CPU family, model name. There we can check about the CPU. Next is bandwidth monitor. Click on bandwidth monitor. Live bandwidth monitoring of all interfaces. There we can check live bandwidth. There we can check on Ethernet port load. Next, net state port usage. Active internet connection only server. There we can check net state port usage live. So there we can check what is port available in net for listen. So there we can check. Next, network configuration. Click on network configuration. There we can check IP details of your Ethernet card. For example, there is IP available 192.168.1.3 and next line net mask. There we can check and broadcast IPs details. Next, live monitor. Live server monitor also same thing like top state. Check same thing there. Next, process list. There is process list which process are running in our server. There we can check these process are running. If we want kill to any process, so we can click on kill PID. So there we can directly kill. Next, SYS state SAR. This features is not available because we don't have CWP Pro. Next, SSS Java console. There we can connect to console. There is our server IP showing and username showing, port showing. Friends, SSH Java console we can connect to console by this option. Next, send shell command. Send shell command as a root. There we can send shell command by root permission, but don't forget to use your full path to run the shell command. Next, run and list screen. Send SSH command in detached screen working in background. So there we can send SSH command for background running. Enter screen name and SSH command. Send command in new detached screen. So there will run your command. For example, there is showing active screen list. If we want to kill this, so we can. I am clicking on kill screen 24709.fmmpg
To continue.
installer.
I hope my video helpful for you. Please subscribe our channel and don't forget share your feedback in comment box. Share video link with your colleague if they are planning to web hosting server. Thank you.